Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this here. This is the Hypo 600 watt solar street light for outdoor use with 12,000 lumen solar powered lamps with a motion detector. IP65 waterproof, that means you can use it completely outdoor without a wired connection. Light emitted diode light for the front door, for the yard, for the garden, for streets, and so on. Energy class is A triple plus. These solar streetlights convert solar energy into electrical energy via a photovoltaic power generation system and an emergency storage system and stores it in a 20,000 mAh battery that powers the light control system at night to save energy and reduce the electricity bills to zero. The high photoelectric conversion of efficiency of up to 22% allows the lamps to charge and work normally even on rainy days. And this solar spotlight with a motion detector automatically turns on in the dark and it will be switched off at dawn. The configured motion sensor makes the energy consumption of the street lamp more usable, with 100% brightness for people and 30% brightness for pedestrians. These solar safety lights, made of high-quality strength ABS and PC materials, has been certified with the IP65 waterproof rating. This stands against rain, wind, snow, ice, and wet conditions. And this powered street light by LED and solar is equipped with a new energy vehicle battery which offers a longer service life, safety and stable than the lithium iron phosphate battery comes it. The operation time is up to 18 hours after 6 up to 8 hours of fully charged, about 48 hours in dimmed mode, and easy to install. The device here can install in the simple steps on walls and on the masts at no additional costs. That's perfect for any outdoor applications such as the front door, the backyard, the porch, the terrace, paths, and driveways. All weatherproof and offers additional security for our home and our property. Solar rechargeable pioneer of solar technology over 12 years. This is Hypo, with over 8 plus billion trust of more than 8 billion families and companions. 8 countries available and a lot of regions out there, which can be use this device here. Solar lights for outdoor, of course. Charge fast and use it longer. Before, of course, the first use will be we should be let the sun charge the solar panel during the day hours. With a polysilicon solar panels and a large battery, the lamp can light up for more than 18 hours after being charged by the sun for 5 up to 6 hours. Automatic lighting at dusk and it switch off at sunrise. On-off button is there, so you push them for operation. We can make their continuous light, motion sensor, brightness, and timer function. And we have a remote control. This remote control we can use for programming this light too, for a timer function, for the brightness level, and the modes. We turn on the switch on the solar street light, the black button next to the motion sensor. Okay. We install the solar street light on the wall or on the mast. When the solar panel is charged, the red indicator lights in the motion sensor turns on and flash continuously. Within materials with ABS, the power of 500 watt, the color temperature 6500 K. We have a luminous flux of 32,000 lumen. The battery capacity is 20,000 milliampere hour. We have 2 installation mods. We have a robust weather resistance. We have a motion sensor function. And a lot of joy because our property can be in light at night. High power outdoor solar street lights come with a mounting accessory set. We can mount the solar light on the wall, mast, trees, balcony, anywhere outdoors. No wiring is required, no maintenance. And the high power solar street light is waterproof, so it is possible to perform gas and heat, to extend the life of the outdoor lights, and it is resistant to high temperatures and aging. The motion sensor makes a good job. It brights when it detects a movement and darks when there is no movement required. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.